Welcome to Conversion Man headquarters of Dallas, Texas, folks. We have done it again. This is a 2021 Chevrolet Express Hightop Explorer conversion van. It's only got 14,300 miles. It is a 1-ton. Again, it's a 3,500 1-ton with a 6.6 liter, 401 horsepower. Can tow up to 10,000 pounds. This baby is a beast. It is bulletproof. Great engine, great transmission combo. This is definitely the one. 14,300 miles. We bought this van from a couple that bought it brand new. They bought it to do some traveling, and they just didn't use it a whole lot. It's in great shape. It is ready to start traveling the nation or to be used as your everyday driver. It's got lane keep assist. It's got fog lights. It's got 20-inch wheels and tires. It's got the special fade paint done by Explorer Conversion Van, where it starts up at top darker, and then gradually it gets lighter and lighter as you fade down towards the ground. Beautiful, beautiful. It's got two-tone leather interior. It's got tan and dark brown leather. It's got these amp research step boards. They'll fold up when you close the door. That means they'll stow. When you open them, they come out. Lit up badges, LED badges. It's got backup camera, reverse camera, not only on this main head unit, but also it'll show up here on the rear view mirror. It's got LED lights, separate rear air conditioning and heat. It's got lower indirect lights, ceiling lights, cabinet lights, fog lights. And what I really love is when I'm traveling, we got a little ice chest here in the middle. I'll put ice in it, store my favorite drinks, a little sandwich or so. Got heated seats here, which we don't need here in Texas right now, but I guarantee you, come winter time, we will need it. It's got adjustable slide. It'll slide forwards, backwards. It'll power recline, power lumbar, and then it's got 2 rows of captain's chairs. These captain's chairs, they will slide forwards, backwards, or on quick release pedestals. You can also remove them and store them if you need some extra space. I'll show you how these turn around here in just a moment. Yeah, it's got lane keep assist. These also come down. These are full length. Those running boards made by Amp Research. Got a little 110 plug here. Chargers. And here are the 2 rows of captain's chairs. Again, these will slide forwards, backwards. They swivel 360 degrees. They're in awesome shape. And it's got that sofa there in the back. Turned up bed with the principal button. Rear separate AC, cell phone chargers, large 32-inch TV that we can actually hit this button down here, turn off the sound. Kids or adults can put on the wireless headphones. That way you can turn on the radio on the front, or you can just have peace and quiet while you're traveling. It is awesome, awesome. It's got a little game station here where you can plug in your favorite gaming station. There in the 120 plug, and then yeah, it's got an HDMI cord to go directly up here in these side walls up behind the TV, so you don't have any annoying cords hanging down. It's awesome. You got lower indirect lighting. Folks, this is definitely the one. Super low miles, 14,300 miles. Clean Carfax, 1 owner. Just doesn't get any better than that. Lit up cup holders, love them. That way at nighttime you can see. And then you got this power sunroof here in the back. There we go. She's opening up. Got a little screen here. And then all of these windows have blinds on them for some privacy. Right here, you can actually store some of your wireless headphones in here. I actually have them separate right now. They're in a bag that the previous owner gave to us. It's got two wireless remote controls for your keys. We also have the remote controls for the TV and Blu-ray player right here. You can store these remotes in here, and then you can actually set your phone right here and it will charge. Little charging station. Folks, this is definitely the one, 469-272-7781. Look at that body. Now let me show you our favorite part, and I think everyone can agree this is definitely their favorite part. This is a trifold sofa bed. It'll slide forwards and backwards. It will also lay down completely flat and turn to a bed. I'm 6'3". I love the trifold sofa. But what I do is I take these two middle captain's chairs here, turn them around 180 degrees. That way my legs can span and my feet can sit there on the seat and I can sleep comfortably. Take a little nap while we're driving 12 hours, going to our favorite destination. Again, this van can be used as your everyday driver. Probably half of my customers use these every day. They're wonderful. Take the kids to school, go to the grocery stores, take them to football practice. The kids will absolutely love having their friends go with them to all their schooling, taking trips, traveling. Folks, my time is up here. 2021 Chevrolet Express 3500, 9-passenger, high-top, 1-ton conversion van. Super low miles, 14,300, very powerful, 401 horsepower, 6.6 liter, can tow up to 10,000 pounds. Again, my name is Jeff, 469-272-7781.